Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Dre from the YouTube channel JREKML. Call me Dre, JRE, whatever you want to call me. It's your boy. We got Jessi in the building. She just came out with Girls Like Me. Oh my God, Jessi. Jessi the truth, for real though. I seen some little clips here and there. Hey, she got her titties out or something like that. I ain't complaining. Listen. Without further ado, let's check out Jessi and Girls Like Me MV in 3, 2, 1. Bow. Oh, military. Got him correct. Uh-oh.
Once upon a time, not long ago,
okay.
Voice talk shit that they don't know.
What they talking shit about?
Shit like Jessi, a hoe.
Isn't that your last name?
Girl, and she got to go.
Oh. What's a big titties, big heart? Damn, she got nipple piercings? What? Wait. Hold on.
Daddy, chill.
Never mind. Okay. I got myself correct. Okay. Oh, they in the subway? Damn right.
Let me break it down for the bad.
Woo!
I know you be talking smash.
Hey.
Do you even do the honey dance?
Do the honey dance. Do the honey dance. Ooh. Shake your tails like dogs. Damn, that shirt. Is that? Wait, did she got like? I got a lot of questions. Damn. What the fuck? Burn that baby fat? Oh, the switch up. Hey. What? Don't expose me like what? Hey. Girls like me. Damn, okay, start back. Wait a minute. Ooh, that outfit right here. Like me, hey.
Stepping on the beat got a brand new swag and it's in the bed like.
Well, I feel like Bruno Mars gonna come on the track somehow and make a remix.
And I pop that tag like I pop this ass.
Pop that ass, girl, pop that ass, hey.
Goddamn, I'm feeling myself. Come on.
It do got that feel like 24 karat type of vibe. And at least in that one part. Ooh, okay, come through with the dance. That outfit. I love how it went from like business suits and then the other one was like C3PO kind of vibe. Baddies.
Girls like that. Ain't girls like me.
Hey, girl. Oh, he talking shit. She talking shit. She's not talking shit. She's talking the truth. Woo! Hey, I love when people shake ass. I'm not gonna lie.
Here come the, I got the, you could be just like me. We on the, we out the.
Hey. Ooh, I love a good rain. Ooh, wet scene. Love a good wet scene. Okay. Oh, she in the rain. Damn. Everybody in the place to be. It's your boy Jessi and JRE. We keep on going like girls like me. Girls like me. What about the
girls like girl, can't you see that girls like me?
Let's go, Jessi. Uni. Wait. Jessi's back again at it with Girls Like Me. Why the hell is that man's eyes are so... Wait, hold up. Open, goddamn. Oh, man, he looked like a serial killer kind of. With them eyes? He's seen some shit. He's seen in your thoughts. He's seen in his thoughts. He a little bit weirded out because this man is staring down at his face. Hold up. What is the backstory on this? Yo, put a comment down below what you guys think of Jessi's Girls Like Me. Dang. The outfit kind of crazy, though, too. That's set, too. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out the whole music video description down below. I think she came out with a new album called PMS. It's in a whole EP. Let me download that. Show support. Girls Like Me, Brand New Boots, Hell, Marry Me, Newsflash. I think she uploaded, I remember Newsflash, YouTube as well. So you can check it out there or any other streaming platforms. Be sure to check it out. And yeah, shout out to Jessi. Let's go. It's your boy Dre from the YouTube channel JREKML. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work through it. It might just come true. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.